Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a baked honey lemon pepper chicken. Okay? Here's my chicken. I have 2 lemons, which I'm only going to need 1 because it's going to be too sour. I don't want it too sour, okay? So anyway, first I got some olive oil. I have some granulated garlic. Have some black pepper. I have some caramelized onion, Kinders, and some lemon pepper by Kinder. Okay, this right here don't have, as you see right here, don't have no salt in it. Okay, and I don't really want any salt in here. Okay, so, and hey guys, please go get you some of this. This stuff is off the chain. Your lemon pepper chicken wing would be off the chain. Alright, first we're going to put some olive oil on this bird. Okay, just like so. Rub this around. Make sure your bird is like room temperature. And we're going to flip it over on this side. Put some more olive oil on here. This is going to allow your chicken to get crispy. And since we got it flipped over on this side, we're going to start seasoning that side. So I'm going to wash my hands. Okay guys, we're going to come in here with some of this garlic. Like about half a teaspoon. We don't want a whole bunch on there, because it's honey lemon pepper baked chicken. Come with this caramelized onion. Put a little bit on this side. I missed that side. And I'm going to come in here with some of this black pepper. Okay. And lemon pepper. Like a teaspoon or a tablespoon, depending on how much you want on yours. Now I'm going to season this side up. Same situation. You want to put some in this cabinet as well. Okay. Alright. Black pepper. Put a little bit in there. And since I got it already opened up like that, I'm going to sprinkle a little of this lemon pepper in there as well. Okay. Alright, make sure this side got some. Make sure your oven is preheated to 375. I'm going to go ahead and put my bird in the oven, just like so. Alright. Now if you want to put some salt on yours, you're welcome to do so. But before we do that, we're going to cut up some of this lemon up. Like in 4s or something like that. And we're going to put that right up in there. Just like so. Alright. Now if you want to, you can put some butter in there as well. I don't think I'm going to need to put no butter in there this time. So we're just going to go ahead and pop this in the oven. And let this guys cook for maybe about 45 minutes. Alright, let me put this in the oven, guys. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. I just took my bird out the oven at 45 minutes. It's not all the way done, as you can well see. If you can't see, I can tell it's not all the way done. So what I'm going to do with this bird, I'm going to put some more oil on it. I want it to be black. So what I'm doing is I'm going to spray some of this olive oil on here on the skin. and it helps out the seasoning on there to sink in the meat too. So, but for future reference, what I would suggest you to do is put like foil over it first, and then cook it like that first, and then take the foil off for the next 15 to 20 minutes, okay? All right, guys, I just wanted to show you that. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm gonna go ahead and put some honey on here. You can put it, matter of fact, you know what? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it right on here. I was gonna mix it in a bowl. Put much as you want on yours. You want yours to be a little sweet, then let it be a little sweet. Just gonna brush this on here. Also made some just that rice roni and some green beans, fresh green beans with almonds. I'm going to go ahead and stick this back in there, let that coat on there, sprinkle a little of this lemon pepper seasoning on here, just a little bit, guys. Okay. That's it. And I'll be back with the presentation. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this baked honey lemon pepper chicken. Whole chicken, that is. Using this right here. Lemon pepper and honey. And I put some lemons inside of it. Alright? So, guys, this is how that looks. Let me show you that up close. Camera don't want to focus half the time. There's my green bean with the almonds, shaved almonds on there. Alright, guys, if you like this video and like this recipe of this honey lemon pepper baked chicken, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And yes, don't forget to, that's right, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love and happy eating.